kindergarten! Today we are going to work with subtraction. I thought it would be cool if I take you to my teacher toolkit on ConnectEd and show you a fun way to practice your subtraction with dice. So I'm going to take you there now. So here we are on my ConnectEd page, and I have 2 dice here. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice making and solving subtraction problems. Some of you sometimes use a number line to help you subtract, so I added that in here in case so we can use that to help us understand subtraction and to get the answer. So when we subtract, what does that mean we're doing? Can you tell me? Taking away. Or I like to say going bye-bye. Things are being taken away. So we're starting with a larger amount and it's getting less or smaller. So we start with more and it becomes less when we subtract. So taking a look here at our dice, I have 2 number dice here. Oops, let me switch it over to my dice. So I'm going to roll each die. Ooh, what number did I get? 3. Oh, and 3 again. Now if I want to write a subtraction sentence, which, you know what, you can do this at home. If you want to do this with me and pause the video quickly and get some paper or pencil, or if you have a mini whiteboard or even a Magnadoodle, something fun to write with, you can grab that. And I'm going to type it here. So if we were to create a number sentence for these 2 numbers. Now, normally when we write a subtraction sentence, we want to make sure we put the bigger number first. But look, it's the same number, so it doesn't matter which 3 we put first. So we're going to put 3. Now, what symbol do we need to show subtraction? What's it called? The minus sign, and you can make this with your arm like this, minus or subtraction symbol, so minus, and our other 3. Now what's the other symbol we need as we're creating our number sentence? Equals, yes, the equals sign. It's just 2 lines, and so let's take a look at our number line. So we're starting at 3. I'm going to start at 3. I'm going to put a little point showing where we're starting. Now when we subtract, we want to go backwards on the number line. We want to, because remember the numbers are going to become less. If we're going this way, and the numbers were getting larger, or it would be adding. So we're going to subtract. And how many hops are we going to take? So let's look. 3 hops. So let's take 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. What number did I land on? 0. So what is our answer to the equation? 0. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. Very good. Let's try another one. So let's erase that. I wonder what we're going to get this time. So let's roll our dice. Ooh, what number? 5. 6. Now we have to make sure we put the larger number first so I don't forget and write it incorrectly. I'm going to move my dice. So remember, because 6 is larger, so it's going to be 6 minus 5 equals. So if you want to try writing that down, and I'll type it with you. So we need 6 minus 5. What is the next symbol? Equals. Now you might be, oh, I know this right away. You might have it in your mind. You might be able to picture it in your head. If you had 6 cookies and 5 were taken away, how many are left? You might know it like that, the answer. Or you might need to use the number line. Either way is fine. Eventually, we want you to be able to just memorize the equation and know 6 minus 5 equals, I don't know the answer yet. But if you need a little extra help, you can use the number line to help you. And that's okay. So we're going to go to the number line. Up here. All right. Oh, I got to take away those dots. And what number are we starting at? The bigger number, 6. So I'm going to put a dot there, 6. And then how many spots we're going to hop? Then that's the second number, 5. So let's hop 5 spots. Now we don't count here. We hop 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where do we land? 1. So if you add 6 minus 5 equals 1. And then we have to record our answer. And I love that you're doing that with me if you're able to write these equations, because that's an important part in kindergarten, is not only knowing how to subtract, but to write the number sentence correctly. Let's do one more together. And I'm going to erase that. I don't get confused. All right. And get rid of my dots. This one I'm not going to use the number line, but if you need to, you can access it. You can look at it. So let's roll our first one. 4, 3. So go ahead and say the number sentence out loud. So how would you write it? And we already have the bigger number over here, so that makes it a little easier this time for me as I'm writing it to remind myself. So 4, what's that symbol we're going to, minus, right? We're not adding, so we don't say plus, we say minus 3 and equals, so if we have 4 and 3 go bye-bye, how many are left? 1! That's right, 1. So if we started at 4, when you take 3 hops, 1, 2, 3, we land on the 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Nice job. So like I said, you can do this at home. Now, if you do not have number dice, well, 1 is die. If you don't have number dice, you probably might have these dot dice at home. Maybe in a board game, you might have them. And you can roll them and create another number set. Oh, look, it's the same one. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Pretty cool. Oh, what number is that? 5. Remember how we practiced looking at a set of dots and knowing what it looks like? So 5 minus 1 equals 4. So you can easily play this to help you practice subtraction, to help you learn your subtraction facts. And write it down, use markers, use a whiteboard, whatever you have handy at home, and have fun practicing subtraction. I'm so glad you could join us today. And have fun, kindergarten. See you next time. Bye.